Mission 2020 has been set up by Mother Helpage to reduce mortality and morbidity in the state of Jammu and Kashmir by providing safe drinking water to a population of 630,000 people per day by 2020. The 2014 floods ruined food stored for the winter, drowned families' livestock, and ruined crops. Landslides meant entire communities could no longer live in their homes and made them isolated. This meant that communities were unable to easily access food or safe water, making them vulnerable to disease, poverty, and starvation. Globally, a child under the age of 5 dies about every 90 seconds as a result of diarrhea caused by contaminated water and poor sanitation. Carrying water over long distances can cause skeletal deformation and accelerates the deterioration of joints. Clearly, a community cannot survive under these circumstances, and the people of Jammu and Kashmir need our help. Mission 2020 is the beginning of the journey towards development of the region by improving agriculture. Access to safe water means more children can go to school instead of collecting water, and they are less likely to get involved in crime. Safe water reduces illness and breaks the cycle of pushing a family further into poverty from loss of income. Women and children will be less vulnerable to sexual assaults and accidents if the burden of collecting water is reduced. The goal of Mission 2020 fulfills the World Health Organization's guidelines and the UN Sustainable Development Goals to make safe water and sanitation accessible. Communities in the region rely on Mother Helpage to provide safe water and sanitation. Mother Helpage is the only international charity that has been working in the state of Jammu and Kashmir for the past 20 years. Mother Helpage has support from the local government and can push through the regulations process and achieve goals quickly. Our goal is to install a minimum of 3,000 water wells throughout the state of Jammu and Kashmir in the next 5 years in order to provide safe drinking water daily to a population of 630,000. Since the 2014 floods, we have installed bore wells, each of which caters for a village of 100 families. We have also installed tube wells and community wells. We also have our own fleet of mobile tankers, each of which supply 16,000 litres of water to remote areas. Help us reach our Mission 2020 target by arranging a one-off donation or regular payments by either visiting our website, through Charities Aid Foundation Donate or PayPal.